Ever wondered if there could be other versions of you, living different lives in different universes? Well, that's not just the stuff of science fiction. It's a genuine scientific hypothesis known as the multiverse theory. The multiverse theory is a speculative framework that suggests the existence of multiple universes, including the one we currently inhabit. These universes together comprise everything that exists. Yes, you heard that right. The entirety of space, time, matter, energy, and even the physical laws and constants that describe them. If you're finding it hard to wrap your head around this idea, you're not alone. The concept of multiple universes is mind-bending. It's like trying to imagine a new color that doesn't exist. Yet this is precisely what the multiverse theory proposes. According to this theory, our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes. Each one could have different physical laws, different forms of matter, even different dimensions of space and time. Some might be almost identical to ours, with only minor differences. Some might be so alien that we can't even begin to comprehend them. Now let's add a dash of imagination. What if in one of these universes you are a world-famous actor? Can you envision it? Think about your alternate self, living a life under the limelight, gracing the red carpet and delivering Oscar-worthy performances. Cool, isn't it? But remember, this is just one possibility among an infinite number. In another universe, you might be an astronaut exploring the farthest reaches of space. In yet another, you might be a scientist, unlocking the secrets of the universe. The possibilities are as infinite as the universes themselves. Intriguing, isn't it, to think that there might be countless versions of you out there. But let's not stop there. Our journey through the realm of alternate realities has only just begun. Buckle up, folks. It's going to be a wild ride. Or what if I told you that quantum mechanics could be the key to understanding parallel universes? Let's take a moment to delve into this fascinating concept. Quantum mechanics, the science of the very small, deals with particles so tiny that the normal rules of physics do not apply. It's a realm where things can exist in two places at once or spin in opposite directions simultaneously. Now, if that sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, you're not alone. But this is the reality of the quantum world. This brings us to the concept of quantum superposition. It's the idea that a quantum system can exist in multiple states at the same time until it is observed or measured. Think of Schrödinger's cat, both alive and dead at the same time until observed. Now extrapolate this idea to the entire universe. What if every decision you've ever made, every chance event, every quantum roll of the dice resulted in an entirely different universe? One where you took that job or didn't. One where you turned left instead of right. One where the coin flip landed heads instead of tails. This is the concept of parallel worlds, a direct implication of quantum mechanics. Each quantum event could spawn an entirely new universe, a universe that is undetectable to us, yet as real as the one we inhabit. So imagine for a moment, what if every quantum event spawned a new universe? What would your world look like? Would it be drastically different, or would the changes be so minute they'd hardly be noticeable? Would there be a world where you became an astronaut, or a world where dinosaurs still roamed the Earth? Mind-boggling to consider, isn't it? But hold on, we have more theories to explore. Have you heard of the many worlds interpretation? It's quite a fascinating concept. This interpretation, rooted in the domain of quantum mechanics, advocates an intriguing idea. It suggests that all possible alternate histories and futures are real, each representing an actual world. It's as if reality is a sprawling tree, with each branch being a world of its own, each leaf a unique scenario. Picture a history where the asteroid that extinguished dinosaurs never hit Earth. Ponder a world where these colossal creatures still reign supreme, their thunderous roars echoing in our ears, their mighty shadows cast over our cities. Can you imagine a world where dinosaurs still roam the Earth? In the many worlds interpretation, such a world doesn't just exist in our imagination. It's as real as the world we inhabit. Quite a prehistoric thought, isn't it? But let's journey on, shall we? Now let's dive into the world of tiny vibrating strings, the string theory landscape. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, string theory weaves a narrative of reality that is as fascinating as it is complex. At its core, it proposes that the fundamental building blocks of the universe aren't tiny particles, but rather minuscule strings of energy. These strings vibrate at different frequencies, and these vibrations give rise to the particles we know, like electrons and quarks. But here's where it gets even more interesting. String theory suggests the existence of multiple dimensions, as many as 11, far beyond the 4 we're familiar with. And within this multidimensional space, there are countless ways these dimensions can be folded and compacted, creating what's known as the string theory landscape. Within this landscape, each fold, each compacted dimension could be an entirely different universe, complete with its own unique laws of physics. Imagine for a moment a universe where gravity is 10 times stronger, or where the speed of light is only half of what it is in ours. How would life evolve in such a universe? Would it be dramatically different, or would it find ways to adapt to these unique conditions, just as life on Earth has adapted to ours? A perplexing thought indeed, but let's move on to our final theory. Lastly, let's consider a universe that is a mirror image of our own. Picture this, an alternate realm, not simply mirroring left and right, but something far more profound, a universe of antimatter. This is the essence of the mirror universe theory. It proposes the existence of a parallel universe, a cosmic mirror, if you will, where every particle of matter in our universe is mirrored by an equal particle of antimatter in this alternate universe. Just imagine a world where every atom that makes up the stars, the galaxies, the planets, and even you and me is made of antimatter. A world where the rules of physics as we know them are not reversed, but rather replaced by their antimatter counterparts. Now, you might be wondering, what's antimatter? Well, simply put, antimatter is the twin of regular matter, but with opposite charge. When matter and antimatter meet, they annihilate each other, releasing energy. So in this mirror universe, instead of electrons whizzing around atomic nuclei, we would have positrons, their antimatter equivalents, doing the same. Can you conceive a world where everything is made of antimatter? It's a mind-boggling concept, isn't it? It challenges our understanding of the universe and questions the very fabric of reality. Astonishing to ponder, isn't it? These theories certainly give us a lot to think about. So there you have it, 5 mind-bending theories about parallel universes. We've traveled through the multiverse and glimpsed quantum mechanics, navigated the many worlds interpretation, surveyed the string theory landscape, and reflected on the mirror universe theory. All these concepts invite us to question our reality and ponder the infinite possibilities. Remember, the universe is a vast, mysterious place full of unknowns. Do you have any theories of your own? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating discussions. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of the universe.